Alright guys, so welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you how Robinhood works. So if you go on your smartphone and go to Robinhood, you can click free stock. And when you click free stock, for me it says invite 3 friends, get a free 4 bonus stock. So for inviting 3 friends, and if they sign up to create a free account on Robinhood, I should be able to get a free stock. And also those people who signed up using my link. So in the past, as you can see, people that have signed up are the names on the phone. So Holman H and Edward V. And because they signed up, I got a free Zynga stock and a Siri. But I think I ended up selling them already, so it's really up to you whether you want to keep your stock or sell it right away. Especially right now with the coronavirus outbreak going on, stocks are dropping. From what I've seen lately, it did drop by a lot. A lot of stocks are still on the low side of things, such as Facebook, what else? Tesla. But they are slowly coming up a little bit. But still, I'd say it's still, right now it's probably fairly good time to invest if you want, but in my honest opinion, maybe wait a few more weeks. Maybe it might drop down a little bit more. I believe this slight increase on the prices of stock is due to the fact that it did go down to the point that maybe some people thought it was not gonna go down anymore, so they started buying stocks. On the other hand, cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin did go down. Like, I think the lowest I've seen it was like around 4,000. Right now it's already like around 6,000, so it had made its increase as well. And it's because of some factors such as the black market maybe, or companies that accept bitcoins. There are a lot of companies that accept bitcoins. You could even get your debit card that could hold bitcoins. But anyhow, if you use my link today, we could both get free stock. And this deal won't expire until June 30, 2020. So take advantage of the lockdown. Do whatever it is that can benefit you online. There are a lot of stuff you can do online, and recently I have been doing my research. So writing on vocal.media, stuff like that, if you're really passionate about things that you do, you have a chance of influencing other people and possibly earning some profits from it. That's why I've been creating YouTube videos to help people understand the things that can be done. Like, I'm just taking advantage of my time, my free time right now. So other than that, in my next video, I'm gonna show you how DeVry University works. So my experience as an online student. If you have any content suggestions at all, please feel free to comment them down below. Also, if you like my video, please click the like button. And other than that, if you're looking forward to more videos, feel free to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you later.